Today we're going to double your channel growth with these simple tricks. Here we go! If you've already thrown up 10 or 20 or 30 videos, you've already got enough base there to start doing some analytic diving. It will take a while for you to create 30 videos unless you've vomited 30 videos onto your YouTube channel in day one, which by the way, I highly suggest you do not do. If you take your time and you've uploaded 2, 3, 4 videos a week, or maybe even 1 video a week for, I don't know, half a year, you will start to see shoots or signals and signs of growth. This is when we dive into your analytics. If you flick through your analytics and have a look at your most popular videos, you search them in descending order, so the most important ones at the top, you will see that there are videos there that have got you the most views on your channel. No matter how old or how new your YouTube channel is, there will be a clear hierarchy of some videos doing better than others. This is your chance to start gauging what your channel and your channel audience wants from you, what you are expected to do. Let's say your top video happens to be about a tutorial teaching people how to get the best weapon in the game that you're playing, and that you are a gaming channel. In fact, your whole channel could be about that game, but for whatever reason, that video did better than others. You need to identify why. If you have a look at that video, see, was there a good retention rate? Did people watch all the way through, or was it a hot topic? Is it the fact that it is a tutorial teaching people that makes them watch all the way through? Or is there a trend? Do you notice that when you do class videos, for example, how to set up a certain character, or how to do a specific mission, or how to min-max your player stats, in other words, the most attack or the most defense? Is it when you deep dive into those kind of things that you get more attention? Or is it when you make funny compilations? Is it when you do live streams? Only you will tell, because everybody's channel is different. There's no point in you looking at somebody else's channel and go, well, his channel always gets so many thousands of views more for his live streams compared to mine. That's because that's their own ecosystem. You should never compare yourself to anybody else outside your bubble. You should compare yourself with you. So have a look at your analytics. Your first 5 or 10 videos, see if there's a pattern. If you notice that 2 or 3 of the top 5 are all tutorials, or that the comedy stuff works more, start leaning into that direction. See if there's anything that you can twist or tweak or change. Or if they're really old videos, so for example in my case, I did a video 2 years ago on how to generate a YouTube playlist. If it's really good and doing really well, maybe you can update it with a newer version. So I made a video on 3 ways to make a YouTube playlist, and I went through the new dashboard and I showed you how to add it on mobile. That way I'm leaning in on the thing that got me the most views, or tapping into the thing that is most popular or has the most support or traffic through my channel, my authority. Now, if you're looking to grow your subscribers, you can do exactly the same. Instead of going for views, you go to the subscribers tab and then you order it in order of the videos that got you the most subscribers. And now this uses a similar technique. You look at the ones that got you the most subscribers and you see if there's a pattern between, say, the top 10 or the top 20. Did the ones that do more favorably have a certain length? Was there a certain presenting style? You'll notice with mine, at the start of my videos, on some of them I flash up the text here, or on some of my videos I just have screenshots of me doing a specific tutorial. Does my business rants do better than my YouTube rants? Have a look at the ones that got you the most subscribers and then see if you can once again replicate or add or make a better version or update those. See if you can complement it. So if one of my videos did really well, which was how to add in screens, I could then teach you how to add in screens on mobile, or how to add certain aspects of the in screens. Whether it's best for videos, whether it's the latest videos, whether it's a specific playlist or a link to a website. Maybe I'm talking about how fantastic vidIQ is, and I'm telling you, oh, go and get this specific tool, but then I can make other videos about certain features within that software. How to do a thumbnail preview, how to search for video tags, how to auto-translate your videos. All of these are still related to that topic, but you could then pile them into a playlist, or you can link them together using keywords and putting videos in the top of the video comments. You can start feeding bubbles between them, feeding traffic, because they wanted that specific topic. They came to you to learn, in this case, about, say, vidIQ, and instead of it being a generalized, they can learn in 5 dive videos a much broader picture. Or for you, it could be that they really liked how to knit that jumper, but they also want to learn how to knit that jumper in red, and knit that jumper with an embroidery logo, and knit that jumper and a hoodie. Or maybe you're a gamer and they really liked how to get that specific weapon, and then they need to learn how to get a better version of that weapon, or get the add-ons, or how to aim it, or how to use it most effectively. Your stats is the magic secret sauce just for only you that nobody else can use, because you've already proved that you presenting that type of content gets that audience. All you now need to do is reverse engineer that and say, I want this audience, so what do I need to do to get them again? Over and over and over again until it becomes a habit. It forms it in the brain of YouTube that, every time that video is made by Alan, we serve that to those people. Makes it easy for YouTube to suggest you against other content. And then all you need to do is nail the content in the best, most engaging way possible. And there's a video here to tell you exactly how you do that. Remember to subscribe for regular deep dive videos and tutorials, and I'll see you soon.